In this video, we'll cast 6 row positions for each journal entry. We need position field to extract the accounting data that we worked on in the previous videos. Again, given the difference in accounting practice, the accounting logic described in this series of tutorials is only for demo purposes. It might be different based on your location. Concepts covered here is meant to be minimalistic. I'm not held responsible for any errors, incomplete or misrepresented information, and or any harmful effects associated with the materials in my video. By watching this video, it's assumed that the viewers bear all the risk, both current and potential losses associated with this video. Okay, enough for disclaimer. Let's dive in. Let's go back to this cell, comma, and move on to account position. For each journal entry, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma, repeat this 3 times as we have 3 transactions. Let's code it below, equals py, let's say np, numpy, dot a range, 171, control enter. When you click inside, it will show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? The meaning of numpy dot a range is counting from 1 up to 7, adding 1 for every step. That is 1 plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, all the way up to 7, but not including 7. That will return a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for each transaction. JE1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. JE2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. JE3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for I, which refers to each individual item in df.je.toList, this is a for loop, so you see I wrap it like this. That means for each row in the column df.je, which is 1, 2, 3, when je equals 1, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for je2, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, do the same for je3. This I simply refers to each individual item in df.je column. It can be A, B, or C, totally up to you. Here I just use I for individual item. Control enter, and you should see 3 lists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stacking up horizontally like this. But what we want is those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 being stacked vertically, not horizontally. So turn the whole list to a numpy array, control enter, and you'll get an ND array like this, right? Now we'll turn this ND array into a flat vertical list by appending .flatten at the end of the code. Now it's a flat array. Put this array back to our code, then control enter, get rid of this one, go back here, Excel value, and you should see JE1 counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, JE2 counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, same for JE3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can use this one, journal entry number 1, and the position numbers to look up from the df table for the df.date, df.account, and the df.amount values.